I just got myself most famous camera in the world. So what do we have? SD card for 32 gig. 30th anniversary edition. Warranty, blah blah blah. Okay, so it's power adapter. The camera. Here is the winner. Here we have back screen, movable. We have flash. Here is exposure, different modes you can switch to. It has 30th anniversary mark on it. Here you can see some presets, it's already there. So here's zoom. It has additional scenes you can switch between. I don't know, I'm not excited. I don't know why. I will play with all settings to see how everything works. I just didn't figure out yet the best preset or whatever. Like basic one, and this one no case, just two straps, camera, charger, that's it, nothing special. And I have Canon, I have big, like full frame Canon, I love it, but it's bulky. I would say like 3 times size of this one. So yeah, this one is cute, small, but I'm yet not sure how good it is. And I will check settings and I try to do my best to show you nice picture next time.